2021 Dodge Charger Hemi 5.7. Really beautiful car, RT. What we got done on this beautiful beast. Factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X-pipe there. Then we did a mid muffler delete there. They kept the valves in there and there. Then deleted the rear resonators there and there. And put some 4.5-inch black tips to complete the look. There'll be a link in the description for them also. And follow him on Instagram. What's your Instagram?
So Silver Surfer 5.7.
Silver Surfer 5.7. Follow him on Instagram. He does some wild stuff, and you'll see him, one of these days bring some, he's gonna bring us some cash and just throw it down. We won't tell if he won't. Anyways, make sure you guys follow, like, and comment on all that good stuff you guys do for us. We really appreciate it. Silver Surfer, go ahead. Rev it. Go ahead. Again. That sounds phenomenal. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. Again. 117. Woo! Still got the temporary tags on it. Charger. And 5. That sounds phenomenal. Got a nice look to it. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Like the RT is different. Nice beast mode.